In today's video, we will learn cooking verbs. Cooking verbs. Roll out. Roll out. Knead. Knead. I am kneading the flour. Chop. Ria loves chopping vegetables. Cook. I love to cook. Slice. Slice. Can you give me 2 slices of bread? Break. Break. Can you break the egg for me? Taste. Taste. Do you know how does a soup taste? Pour. Pour. Let's pour hot water in the Maggi. Fry. Fry. Can you fry an omelette for me? Peel. Peel. Can you peel a potato for me? Measure. Measure. Can you measure how many apples are there? Grill. Grill. I love to eat grilled food. Spread. Spread. Can you spread butter on my bread? Butter on my bread. Bake. Bake. I am baking a cake for my friend. Boil. Boil. Can you boil some water for me? Stir. Stir. Let's stir the batter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's make Learning English Easy channel.